add pregnancy in Flow app. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add pregnancy in your Flow application. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply download the application in your device. And once you are done downloading the application in your device, just simply open it, and after that just log into your account if you already have an account in the Flow app. And if you don't have an account there, just simply create your account and just log in with your credentials. And once you're there, in order to add your pregnancy in the Flow application, you need to click on this bear icon at the top left hand side of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and over here you will be able to see different options under the My Goals section, like track cycle, get pregnant, and track pregnancy. Just simply click on track pregnancy right here, and over here you will be able to see the option called log pregnancy. So just simply tap on it, and it says that if you activate the pregnancy mode, a countdown to the birth of your baby will be shown instead of cycle prediction. So if you click on this activate icon right here, your monthly tracking cycle prediction for your periods will automatically convert into the pregnancy cycle that the app will calculate from now on. So if you want to activate that, just simply click on activate now, and that way you will be able to add pregnancy in your Flow app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.